Hi guys, welcome back. This is Abid from Native English course. So I hope that all of you are doing great. So today I'm going to take an interesting class, in a special class, especially for those who are beginners and elementary class students. So today the topic is about phrasal verb. So it's really an interesting class, and I hope that you not miss this class. It's for both for elementary students and for beginner students. So let's talk about it. So before that I start it, let me give you some short definitions and short introduction with phrasal verb. Let's talk about what is phrasal verb. I'm not gonna take you so long about it. Just clear your concept that what is phrasal verb, how to use and where to use and how to recognize it. So phrasal verb, the verb plus preposition which gives a specific meaning is called phrasal verb. Or you can also say that the verb plus preposition which gives incomplete meaning is called phrasal verb. So these two definitions, if actually these are not those definitions which are explanatory, so these are just short definitions in a short introduction about the phrasal verbs. So we have talked about two definitions and having different senses. The first one was that verb plus preposition which gives a specific meaning, and let's see the example of the first definition, which is turn on. Now turn is a verb, in on is it's a preposition, we know about it. Now they have combined together their verb plus preposition and giving a specific meaning. We know that turn on, turn on the bulb, the light. So just turn on, the combination of these two terms we call phrasal. Or turn off, or turn right. If I give you another example, put in. Put is a verb, in is a preposition. So now giving a specific meaning, it's okay. Concept is clear. We can easily identify the phrasal verb in the occupation of phrasal verb, the function of phrasal verb. So we know that it's giving a specific meaning, and is the combination of verb position is made of two terms, two different terms. So now let's learn about the second definition, which is verb plus preposition which gives incomplete meaning. It's a little bit, you haven't to be confused about. It's a little bit tough, but it's easy. Take it easy. For example, how it gives incomplete meaning. If I tell you that eating out, eating is a verb and out is a preposition, we have to apply the first definition that we have talked about. Eating out is the combination of two terms, verb plus preposition, is giving a specific meaning, eating out, to eat something out. The second definition we gonna apply it on is it giving us an incomplete meaning. How? Eating out, a specific meaning, but we don't know what a person is eating, or when a person is eating. We don't know about the complete sense, but we just know that someone is eating, but we don't know about the whole information. That's why it gives complete meaning. For example, put in, now we don't know someone is putting what, or putting where, when. So there's no need of more information about phrasal verb and to discuss more. Just apply these two definitions about phrasal verb. The first one, it's giving a specific meaning. Exactly, it's giving a different its own specific meaning. And the second one is it's giving in incomplete sense, in incomplete meaning. I've given you examples about it, and these are the following examples. For example, speak out, put in, put out, take off. So these are the examples of phrasal verb. It was the today's lesson, and I hope you to enjoy this video. If you want to know better about phrasal verb, please visit to our channel to see types of phrasal verbs. So if you have any types of question related to today's lesson, you can leave your comment in the below section.